Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing good. My name is Hijab, and I'm here to teach you about machine learning. Okay, so before we proceed further, and I'll tell you about the activity which we are going to do today, we need to know more about what is machine learning. So basically, it's a branch of artificial intelligence or a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling the computer to learn from the data. Okay, so it involves like different algorithms that can analyze the data or the patterns and make decisions accordingly. So in short, you can say it's machine learning is a means through which we teach the computer to recognize the patterns and make choices without being told what it needs to do. So it does everything based on the training which we have already given. Okay, so over here we'll be using, as I said, we'll be using an amazing web-based tool, which is Teachable Machine. Okay, which helps us to train these machine learning models very fast. It is easy to use, and it is most important thing. It is accessible to all of, everyone. In short. Okay, so let's get into it. But before that, you'll be needing few objects to train your model. So here I have like few things. One is this teeny tiny keychain that I have. Okay, and another one is the scissor, which I have. So these are the basic things which I have right now, though. And another very teeny tiny Tom, and obviously mouse. Okay, so these are the products which I have around me, so which I'll be using to teach my model. Okay, and we'll be teaching it in two ways. One is through images, okay, by through showing the objects through images, and the other way is using like sound. We will also be training through sound. Okay, so let's get into it. I hope you are excited about it. Okay, let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to each one of you. Okay, let's get into it. So this is Teachable Machine. All you need to do is search about it. Okay, and then go over here. Okay, so this is Teachable Machine, a web-based, you can say, tool where we are going to teach. If you can see over here, we have already, they have given few examples how the things are done. Okay, though we let's follow the steps. So you need to click on Get Started. Okay, once you are done, it will show you different things. One is image project, the other one is audio project. So today we'll be working with image and audio project. I'm going to show you both of them, and later on some other time we'll go ahead with the post a project. Okay, so let's get into it. So you will just select the standard model, after which in place of class 1 you will write whichever object you are choosing. So in my case, I'll be going ahead with the keychain. So I need to write keychain over here, and after that I need to use webcam. Okay, and I need to allow my webcam to be turned on. Okay, since I'm using it in this recording, so I need to turn it off from here, and then I'll be able to use it from over here. So just allow me a minute. Okay, let's allow it over here. Okay, so you can see me right now, and let's get into it. So what you need to do is you don't have to show your face. What you'll be showing is only the product. So you need to hold it still and just move out of the side of the camera, and then click on hold and record it in different from different sides. Okay, and once you are done, you're good to go. So let's move with the second thing. So we are done with the keychain. Let me quickly show you the other one. So let's write scissor. Okay, and in the same manner, I'm going to hold and remove myself from the frame, and then I need to open this up, obviously. One sec. Okay, we are good to go. Okay, so let's show it over here. Okay, so I'm showing you with two products right now. I suppose that would be fine. And then you need to click on train model and wait for some time. So your image might get glitchy over here because it's training. Okay. And once it is done, you can see the output over here. And another important thing, since it is free for everyone, it doesn't allow, the drawback it has is it doesn't allow you to save anything. You need to export the link. Okay. Okay, now let's quickly test it out. So first thing that I'm gonna go ahead is right now it's a computer, so computer can make mistakes. It's right now showing keychain 100%, okay, but which is not correct. At times it gives error. Okay, so let's test with this. If you can see, it is giving 100%. So that means it is working perfectly fine. Okay. And the other thing is the keychain. So see, this is also 100%, which means it is also working, right? Okay. And for exporting, for example, if you have to export it and save it somewhere and you want to show it to maybe your parents or somebody else, so all you need to do is export, upload my model, and then this link will get highlighted, which you need to copy and save it somewhere. Okay, so that's how you are able to work with this. Okay, in the same manner, you can train through, train it using sound or the audio. Okay, which I'm gonna show you in a while. Let this be uploaded. Yeah. So this is the link which you need to copy. That's it. Okay. Let's come back to the, if I'm going to load this again, it will be totally blank. And it's also showing that the changes you made may not be saved. Okay. So you cannot save it. All you need to do is copy the link. Okay. Now let's go ahead with the audio project. Okay. So in audio project, we can work over here. Yes, let's get back. So in background noises, so background noise can be anything. Like if I'm talking right now, okay, so that can also be a background noise or maybe some other kind of noises that are coming at you when you are working with it. Okay, so you have to extract 20 such samples. You can just keep clicking over here to extract those samples. Later on, you can go over here and maybe snapping sound. Snapping is जिसे हम कहते हैं चुटकी बजाना. Okay, so we are going to record that. Oh, okay. Now we will click over here and then we need to record. Okay, so are you ready? That's it. So that's how it works. Okay, I need to delete this one and record it again. Extract, 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 extract. Okay, so that's how you are going to do it. Then again, you'll click on train and you'll will be able to see each and every sound over here. Okay, and you can play the sound or see, right now I'm just talking and it's giving 100% to the background noises. And in the same manner, if I'm going to do snapping, so it's going to work. I suppose snapping is not recorded properly. Let me just delete that class and create it again. Okay, snapping. Okay, let's come down, click on record. Okay, let's see. We are training the model right now. Okay, it's almost done. Now let's see. Okay, at times it is catching the noise. And since I'm speaking, so it is more recognizing more of the background noise than snapping. Okay, so that's how you'll be able to train using Teachable Machine. Okay, okay then. Bye bye. Hope you are going to try this out.